In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to view your 1099s in QuickBooks Online. If you're new to QuickBooks or just looking for a clear and simple guide, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and take you from signing in all the way to filtering your 1099 filings with ease. Start by navigating to the QuickBooks Online website. This is where all your financial tools live, including everything related to your 1099 forms. Once you reach the homepage, look toward the top right corner and click Sign In. This is your entry point into your account. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you're using the login credentials linked to your QuickBooks account so you can access the correct financial data. It might feel familiar, but it's always important to verify your identity. Once your details are typed in, click Sign In and you'll be taken straight to your QuickBooks dashboard. From here, look for the accounting section in the left-hand menu. This area is easy to spot and acts as your gateway to all tax-related documents, including your 1099s. Click on Billing and Expenses, and once inside, select 1099s. This filters out everything else and shows you only your 1099 related information. Now that you're in the 1099 filings area, you'll see an option to change the view year. This is useful if you want to switch between tax years. Maybe you're reviewing last year's forms or preparing documents for the current year. Simply choose the year you want to view. Next, you'll have the option to apply filters. This feature is incredibly helpful if you have a lot of contractor data and want to narrow things down to specific vendors, categories, or services. Filters make it easy to focus only on what's relevant to the task you're working on. After selecting your filters, click Apply. This updates your screen and shows you exactly the 1099 information you need, tailored to the filters and year you selected. At this point, you should have a clean, organized view of your 1099 filings. All sorted, filtered, and easy to read. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently navigate QuickBooks Online and manage your 1099 forms without any confusion. Thanks for joining me for this walkthrough. I hope the process now feels simple and manageable. Stay tuned for more tutorials that help you simplify your accounting tasks and boost your productivity. Happy bookkeeping!